Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And today I'm just going to do a really quick, fun, I guess it's like a bonus video, if you will, on how I put glitter from the bags into my shakers. So I'm going to tell you where I find my shakers, where you can get these shakers, and how I transfer out of these bags. It is a little bit messy. I like to think that my way is a little less messier and pretty efficient. My husband would beg to differ though, but whatever. This is how I have bottled my glitter for a long time now. And I'm just going to share that with you guys really quick. Sometimes I see this question in the groups and I just wanted to kind of show you guys how I do it. Obviously there's many ways to bottle glitter, but you know, if it's something you ever thought about and you're like, I wonder, you know, what's the best way I could be doing this? Not that my way is the best, whatever. Maybe this tutorial will help you out. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here is a pack of my favorite glitter shakers. These come in packs of 16, I believe, and I will have a link down in the description box on where you can find these. They also come with these like super cute tags and a chalk marker if you wanted to use those to tag your glitter. I'm going to show you how I use the tags off of the bags though. So what I like to do is I just pull a few out at a time. I try to do this as soon as I get new glitter, so I like to keep quite a few of these shakers on hand. And I first start by removing all these little seal paper things in the lid, because nothing's more annoying than when I'm in the middle of a project and I go to take some glitter out and it doesn't come out because it's still sealed. So anyway, I start by removing all of those first. All right, and next I'm going to take the label off of the bags. Now, if you're having a hard time getting these labels off the bag, I would recommend laying them on top of like a space heater or something, or if you have like a heat gun handy. It's super hot in my garage, so these stickers are coming off really easily for me. And then I like to put the name of the glitter on the lid. All Peachy Olive Glitter comes with 2 stickers on the bag, so you get 1 sticker for the name and then you get another sticker for the like branded label, which we'll be putting on the front of our glitter shakers. Okay, and once I have all the name labels on, I'll move on to the branded labels, which usually are pretty easy to pull off. They're removable. And I just line up the edge of that sticker with the little plastic seam thing that are on these shakers and just press it down. Again, if you're having a hard time getting that sticker off, just put a little heat on it. And then I try to shake off what's all kind of collected at the bottom corner there by like flicking it and tapping it or whatever. You can also find static-free bags at Michael's, I guess. I think Recollections makes them. You can also rub your bags with dryer sheets if you're having a hard time with your glitter being like staticky. I don't really have a problem with that. Where I live, it's like usually pretty humid and it's just not an issue for me. So anyway, I just cut off 1 corner off the bottom of the bag and then I pour it directly into the bottle. If you wanted to fully open this bag and tap out the excess onto a piece of paper and then carefully transfer that into the bottle, you can. However, like the extra time it takes me to pull out that small amount, it's really not that important to me to take the extra time to do that, but you definitely could. Again, if you used like an anti-static bag or a dryer sheet over your bag, you're probably going to get a lot more out on the first go. But if you're like me and you're typically having to transfer up to 20 to 30 glitters at a time into bottles, I just don't have time to mess around with it. I also really like these 6-ounce shaker bottles because I can get so much glitter in there, whether it's a chunky mix, a fine mix, or whatever. It all fits. So I really do like that. And you also have the full opening on the lid, or you have the whole opening on the lid. So whether you want a big flow or a light flow, these shakers do both. All right, so that concludes this quick little tutorial on how I bottle my glitters. Again, I'll have a link on where you can find these shaker bottles down in the description box. I'll also tell you what glitter colors I did feature in this video. This is my Peachy Olive Glitter selection, and you can see over the years I've had to pick up different kinds of shakers here and there when mine sold out or what have you. I don't have a whole ton of colors, but I really do love the colors I have. Now, another thing that I like to do is as soon as I get a new color, I really like to make bookmarks out of the glitter just to use it as a color sample. I did do a bookmark tutorial a while back during a live, which I will link in this video. And I just think it makes for such a nice little color swatch that I can reference later. And I also kind of like seeing all my colors under epoxy before I use them. All right, so let me know what you guys thought in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.